Okay, so this is a big one for me because I'm starting to enter the age where, anything I can do to not look older, I'm like, let's talk about it. So does intermittent fasting slow aging?
So, autophagy is a key process that helps keep your cells in balance. So, basically, it's like you're recycling those cells. So, the term autophagy comes from the Latin word meaning self eating. So, basically, what it is that it's the process of it where you're breaking down parts of your cells in order to recycle them in the creation of new cells. And so, if you get a peel, you're basically going, okay, I'm gonna kill these cells, and then it's causing your body to remake new cells. And so that's kind of the idea, is that you're disrupting the normal process, and then you're getting rid of that, and then your body is leading it to create new cells. And so that's why intermittent fasting works for aging. Now, let's put it this way. I've been doing fasting for a year, and I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting wrinkles here, I'm getting this here. And so is it going to be the end all, and it's like, okay, you never have to have Botox again? No. But does it help with it? Absolutely.
Yes, and anything we can do to slow the process,
Yes.
always a good thing.